Welcome you again in my class 9th based on mathematics. Chapter is lines and angles. In previous video we have discussed basics. So in this video I will solve example 6 from your NCERT book. Read example 6. AB parallel to CD. It is given AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. It means these lines are parallel. And CD parallel to EF. CD parallel to EF. CD parallel to EF. And angle BEF is equal to 55 degree and EA perpendicular to AB. EA perpendicular to AB. EA perpendicular to AB. It means angle A will be 90 degree. And find value of x, y, z. If AB पैरेलल टू CD, अगर AB CD के पैरेलल है और CD EF के पैरेलल है, it means these line also parallel. AB CD के पैरेलल और CD EF के पैरेलल. It means so AB parallel to CD or parallel to EF. These lines are also parallel. Now, these angles are consecutive angles. Angle Y plus DEF. Angle DEF is equal to 180 degree. Reason: interior angles on the same side of a transversal. ये दोनों consecutive angles हैं. It means interior angle on the same side of a transversal. Then sum of these angles is equal to 180. Y as it is, angle DEF is equal to 55 degree. Angle DEF is equal to 55 degree is equal to 180. Then Y is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree. So 125 degree. Now these angles are corresponding angles. Region AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. Then X is equal to Y. X is equal to Y. Region corresponding angles. Or Y is equal to 125 degree. So X also 125 degree. Now we want to find Z. Z find करना है. In triangle BAE. For this triangle, X is the exterior angle and these angles are opposite interior angles. We know that know that exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. It is a property. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. Exterior angle will be x. This angle is 90 degree plus z, and we know that x is equal to 125 degree is equal to 90 plus z. So 1 z फाइंड करना, 90 को रिप्लेस करेंगे, z इज इक्वल टू 125 माइनस 90 इज इक्वल टू 35 डिग्री. इट मीन्स z इज इक्वल टू 35. आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन. ये AB पैरेलल टू CD एंड CD पैरेलल टू EF, सो AB ऑल्सो पैरेलल टू EF. तो ये दोनों क्या हो जाएंगे? कंजुगेटिव एंगल्स, दोनों का सम 180 डिग्री. इसकी हेल्प से y की वैल्यू फाइंड हो जाएगी. ये और ये पैरेलल है तो ये कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स, और इस ट्राइंगल के लिए एक्सटीरियर एंगल और ये अपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल्स, इसकी हेल्प से हम z की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं.